Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, healthy, and happy. Students, today we will start with English Primer. Today we will start with this book, English Primer, page number 27. Look at the page number 27. We are reading I sound words, so we will read. Okay. Look at the IT, it. K, it's a kit. KIT, kit. It's a pit. पिट मीन्स व्हाट? गड्ढा, है ना, जो हम लोग डिग करते हैं. इट्स अ पिट. ओके. देन लिट. लिट मीन्स जलना. लुक एट द दीपक. ठीक है. सो KIT किट, PIT पिट, LIT लिट. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट इज ID. HID हाइड. हाइड मीन्स छुपना. KID किड. ओके. देन LID लिड. लिड मीन्स ये ढक्कन. ठीक है. इट्स अ किड. इट्स अ हाइड. हाइड, किड, लिड. ओके. देन ING. ING इज इट्स अ किंग. KING किंग. RING रिंग. WING विंग. रिंग यू नो, जो रिंग हम लोग पहनते हैं, मम्मा लोग पहनती है मोस्टली. देन विंग. विंग मीन्स पंख. लुक एट द बर्ड. Bird has wings. Then IT it. Then BIT bit means thoda, little bit. Understood. Then fit. Look at ये यहाँ पे एक होल बना हुआ है, इसमें ये फिट हो जाएगा. तो FIT fit, BIT bit, SIT sit. Okay. Sit means what? बैठना. Then ILL. HILL hill. PILL pill. Pill means what? Medicine. देन BILL बिल. कहीं भी जाते हैं हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट वगैरह में, तो वहाँ पे बिल पे करना पड़ता है ना खाने के बाद. रेस्टोरेंट क्या, कहीं भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, वाटर बिल, तो ये सब बिल मतलब जो भी हम यूज़ करते हैं उसका अमाउंट हमको पे करना पड़ता है. ओके. HILL हिल, PILL बिल, PILL बिल. ओके. यू हैव टू राइट इट इन कॉपी like this. Look like this. Look at, I have written IT. You have to write KIT kit, PIT pit, LIT lit, HID hide, KID kit, LID lid. Visible to all of you? Then king. Please ignore my voice due to cold and cough. My voice is not clear, I think, but I'm trying to make you all clear. Okay. Ring. Then wing. Then BIT bit, FIT fit, SIT sit. Okay. Then HILL hill, PILL pill, and BILL bill. Okay. You have to write these words in and after that what you have to do? We have to read this page also. Okay. BIN bin. We have to write these 3 lines in copy as well as read. Okay. You have to read these lines and you have to write in copy also. Okay. BIN bin, FIN fin, TIN tin, PIN pin, BIB bib. Then NIB nib, BIG big, DIG dig. Sorry. FIG fig, PIG pig. You know, you all know the meanings. TWIG twig, WIG wig, DIP dip, HIP hip, LIP lip. Okay. You have to read these 3 lines and you have to write these 3 lines in your copy, and while writing you have to read. Okay. While writing you have to read. Examples, like I am writing here bin. Okay. I am writing here BIN bin, then FIN fin, then TIN tin. Okay. Like this you have to say and write. Tin, then pin, then bib. Okay. So like this you have to write both 3 lines. NIB nib, BIG big, DIG dig, FIG fig, PIG pig. Okay, then TWIG twig, WIG wig. दिख रहा है ना सबको? सॉरी. DIP dip, HIP hip, and LIP lip. Okay, you have to write as well as read. Okay students, see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.